Hi, welcome to day 25. We're sitting here on a beautiful spring morning listening to the birds sing, drinking our coffee.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And we'll be off in just a little bit for, 13-mile hike?
That's what the book says.
Yeah. But the sun is beautiful and the birds are just all around. I think they want us to leave so they can come clean out the shelter.
So a little bit ago, we were inside packing up and we heard this rustling out of the tarp, and it sounded like there was a beast of unusual size out here. It turned out it was just a flock of these little finches.
And they're cleaning up.
It's about 33 degrees right now.
Yeah, it's getting warm. It's supposed to get up to 50. We'll see what it does.
Yeah, it's going to be a pretty day.
For him.
Okay, they're not all finches. And they're treating the shelter like a bird feeder. It's pretty cute. I've been admiring this tree as we walk along. It looks like it's wrapped in dupioni silk. I think it's some kind of birch or beech. Even the roots are pretty.
We've seen more birds today than we've seen in the entire 25 days we've been on the trail. Spring is coming. Not hot, not sweaty.
Just going to share a little of this beautiful trail this morning. Even though we're walking in snow, we're perfectly comfortable. It's just a day of delights. We got a late start, and we don't even care.
So it's just past noon, we're about 4 miles in, and we just hit another milestone. We passed the 219 mile point, so we are 10% in.
All right, but do the math.
Yeah, that'll take us
250 days. So we need to pick up the pace a little bit, maybe a few less zeros.
Yeah, a few more nights in beds and comfortable hotels. It's all good.
We'll make it. So we've come about 7 miles so far. We've got 5.4 to go. Still a gorgeous day. Loving it.
Yep. Nice and cool, not too hot. Trail's in reasonably good shape.
I will say though that walking through this this snow, it reminds me of being at the beach. And you know when you walk across the dry sand, how you kind of just slogging through it, but then when you get to the damp sand, it's really easy. This is like the dry sand.
Yeah.
All right, 5 to go. Let's hit it. I just looked it up on Google to find out what lake that is. That is Douglas Lake. As you can see, the day has changed radically. We've come down in elevation. It's so much warmer. It looks like springtime. The smells are what I can't capture, and we've had all kinds of fabulous Christmas tree smells, and the smell of pine needles in sunlight, and even some musky smells now and then from critters that have passed this way that we didn't get to see.
What a beautiful afternoon.
How was your day?
It was great. We're sitting down, sipping mint tea right after dinner. We did about a 13.3 today from, I just lost out of my place.
Peck's Corner.
Yeah, we did about a 13.3 today from Peck's Corner to Cosby Knob Shelter. Great shelter, easy water source. Lots of climbing today.
Yeah, 2,700 feet.
Lots of variety on the trail today.
Unbelievable.
Snow, ice, beautiful summer weather. We had a temperature I think as high as 69 or 70 along one spot of the trail. But it was really beautiful walking. Birds were out.
Yeah. The animals were out.
The views were stunning.
Yeah. I'm afraid we've lost we've had our last mountain bridge. But
Yeah.
we're calling mountain bridges the little skinny ridges that run between the mountaintops, and it means we don't have to climb down in the valley and back out.
Yeah, and sometimes they are only as wide as the trail.
And the views on both sides are spectacular.
Yeah. It was a really good day.
It was a good day.
Thanks for joining us.